on day 5. Cruise almost over. We don't like that. We don't like that at all. Yeah, it's very sad. What's up, guys? We are in Port of San Juan. It is 9:40. We've been here about an hour, but we just got off the boat, had breakfast, and kind of took our time, avoiding the rush. But here we are, Port of San Juan. So being in the ports of San Juan, look who just docked right next to us. Harmony of the Seas. Holy crap, this boat is huge. It's a bucket list boat. One day. One day. This is like straight from a horror movie, y'all. Oh my goodness gracious. Guys, it is 11:38, day 5. Today was San Juan Day. We just got back into the room after seeing the 88 Keys show, which was very good. Very talented performers on the Carnival Breeze. Michael being very silly, he obviously needs sleep. Yes. It's been a busy day.
Me no need sleep.
Oh my god. So we spent the day walking around San Juan, went to Fortaleza Street, saw the umbrellas, which was really cool. First time we've done that. And kind of walked around, saw some sights, got some frozen yogurt at a shop, which was really good. And he finds it funny. I'm just trying to go through our day.
A few moments later.
The Harmony of the Seas was in port with us, so that was pretty cool to see. We definitely,
Big ship.
it is a big ship. Maybe a bucket list ship. Maybe eventually we'll go on it. Who knows? We do have an anniversary coming up. Maybe he'll surprise me with a cruise. Who knows? So yeah, but it was a busy day. Had a lot of fun. There'll be some video of everything that happened today with some pictures and all that good stuff. So we are calling it a night. Time to go to bed. Tomorrow is Grand Turk Day. We have a shore excursion scheduled from 12:30 to about 2:30. It's like an hour and a half. Just a glass bottom boat. We're going to go with the family and see how they like it. And then maybe a beach day, Margaritaville. Who knows? Who knows what's in store? So we are calling it a night. Almost midnight on day 5. Cruise almost over. We don't like that. We don't like that at all. Yeah, it's very sad. All right, good night, guys.